I tried recreating this mini wana chinchin because of its mouth-breaking and melting properties and distinct cinnamon flavor. But guess what I did? You won't believe it. Check it out now. Who dey? To be honestly sincere with you, the result obtained from this gesture was mind-blowing. From the texture, from the look, the taste, the color, everything was really intact and I was so proud. And I decided to share in case you are a lover of this chinchin and you may want to make it in a larger quantity for your business, for your parties, for your lovely children who is returning to school, and for that your husband who is a chinchin freak. Follow the recipe and the procedure in this video and I bet you will be amazed. Firstly, I reconstituted my milk, sugar and cinnamon flavor in a half cup of water. Yes, to get this chinchin mouth melting, then the ingredient has to soak and they have to be properly dissolved in order to achieve this result. So I added half cup of room temperature water and stirred in order to ensure proper dissolution of these ingredients. After the milk dissolution and reconstitution, I went in with my salt. Salt, of course, will enhance the taste of every other ingredient added, so you must add it. Then 1 egg comes in alongside with our condensed milk flavor. The combination of the milk and the cinnamon flavor added took this recipe to the top, and I mean it tasted real good. And after the quick combination of these whole ingredients, then leave it to rest for a while we set up the dry ingredients. So to my bowl I'll be adding flour and I used about 1/2 cup, after which I went in with my 1/4 sachet of margarine. Don't worry about the recipe because the full list will be displayed at the description. Now here is the key ingredient that changed the whole chinchin recipe and gave us what we wanted. This is a corn flour. If you've not been adding corn flour to your chinchin, you might struggle to get it smooth. The corn flour is a binder, prevents your chinchin from breaking out or scattering during production. Most people think that you must take your chinchin to the milling engine before your chinchin becomes smooth. But with the addition of corn flour, that theory is aborted. Actually, I don't know what the company added, but all I know is that I achieved the same result using a corn flour. Please note, I didn't use baking powder in this recipe. But for more yield, please use it. I recommend a ½ teaspoon. Okay, now it is time to incorporate our liquid mix with the dry ingredients. Once that is done, I'll mix and mix and mix until I have a dough. While the mixing is going on, let me tell you a quick story of what happened between me and one of my baker's friends, and you should be the judge, okay? So he created a product which he called Chocolate Bite and bragged that no baker on earth or chef on earth would be able to recreate this recipe. And I smiled. After a week or so, I bought that same product, tested it and created it exactly the same and even supplied it to the market. This product started gaining attention and attraction among every other product. Even better than the original. And since then, my friend doesn't want to see me with his 2 eyes. But please be the judge. Is it my fault? I even have the product in this channel and I will leave you with the link in case you want to check it out. Now tell me, was it my fault or whose fault? Let me know in the comment section. Let's talk about it. But meanwhile, we are done with our mixing and we have to roll out now. Now with the rolling pin, I flatten out the dough. Yes, you can see it. It is very light. Yeah, check it out. You can see it. Yes, the thickness is not there much. So I will trim out the rough areas and then cut into my desired size. In case you don't have this roll cutter, you can use your knife as well. All you needed to do is to cut it both vertical and horizontally to get this block shape. I think it is more advisable you cut yours into bigger or different shape entirely to make yours unique and different from the already existing products in the market. That is if it is for business, but if not, you are free to cut into same size, same shape and enjoy. So now that we're done with all the cuttings, here is it, it's time to fry. Once the oil is hot, you place into the fire and begin to fry. Please ensure that you fry under a medium heat temperature. While frying, there was something unique I noticed. I noticed there was no particle of chinchin in my oil. Everything come out in whole. Yeah, just look at it. This chinchin tasted real good, so nice. I don't think I've made chinchin that tasted as good as this. Yeah, pardon me, but that is the truth. The look, the taste, there's this mouth melting property. It look hard on the surface, but when you put it in your mouth, it melts. It breaks up and melts, and it touches to the brain. Another thing is that it didn't soak oil. This chinchin will boost your baking career. So try it and let me know. And don't forget to like and share this video if you know you derive value. Okay? Thank you and God bless. Bye.